Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to learn about the ACOS function, but before we start let me tell you that ACOS function is majorly used by architects, scientists or engineers. Now let me drill down so that you will get the better understanding. ACOS sign returns the Arccosine, or you can say inverse cosine of a number, and the Arccosine is the angle whose cosine is a number, guys. Okay, and the return angle is given in radians in the range 0 to pi, and here is how exactly ACOS function is used. Okay, and here I have took the example which is provided by Microsoft. Okay, so here is the total 3 examples which I'm going to execute, and after execution of the formula I'm expecting this result has to come. So hopefully now you got the basic idea of what is the ACOS and where exactly it is used. Now let's talk about the formula. Now to get the result, guys, basically you will have to click on the cell where exactly you would like to enter the get the result, or you can say output. So I want my output to be generated into this particular function. So what I'll do, I'll simply type is equal to, now we have to type ACOS. Okay, so this is not a case sensitive, so you can type it capital, small, it doesn't matter. Once this is none, once you have selected by pressing the tab, okay, then you will have to enter the number. So here I'll just mention minus or hyphen, whatever you guys can say, 0.5 and bracket complete. Let's enter. Okay, so this is the radians. Okay, 2 multiply pi divided by 3. So this is the my output, guys. Okay, so if you compare here, the output is same. Right, now let's talk about the second formula, how exactly this can work. To enter the formula, let's select the cell and press is equal to. Okay, and our formula will be again same, ACOS. Okay, so either you can tap or double click on this. Okay, it will get selected. Now let's enter the same value, which is or you can say angle 0 minus 0.5 and bracket complete. Okay, so here you can use any angle, guys, of your choice for which you would like to generate the value. Now here I'll just say 180 degree. Okay, then divided by pi and bracket open, bracket complete. When this is done, click on enter, and here I got the value. Okay, so it's basically Arccosine of 0 minus 0.5 in degrees. Okay, now let's talk about the third. So for third, what I'm going to do here, instead of ACOS, I'm going to utilize degrees command. So we just have to enter the degrees, select that. Okay, now let's me put the bracket, so bracket is automatically pop up. So let's enter ACOS. Okay, now here we'll have to enter the value. So let's say minus 0.5 bracket complete, and again bracket complete. Now our formula has been completed, guys. Now let's click on enter, and here is our Arccosine value of this minus 0.5 in degrees. So hopefully, guys, now you understood how exactly we have generated this output. Okay, and by any chance if you want to get the value, or let's say what is the formula entered here, because as you could see here is showing just a result, right? So you can simply press Ctrl plus tilt button on your keyboard and it will show the formula. Okay, now to go back again press the Ctrl plus tilt button and you are done. So this is how basically you will be able to use ACOS function in Microsoft Excel. And believe me, guys, this is very useful. Okay, so here I just capture the executed the few of the things, right? But you have very large number of data, right? In this situation, what you can do, let's say in the left side you have lots of data for which you would like to generate the values. So in this case you can simply just drag and drop this, or simply double click on this corner and it will generate the value of all your values. So hopefully, guys, you have found this video useful. If so, please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Sohan signing out.